This is the SIG Sauer P365 XL. Let's review it in 60 seconds. The P365 XL hits that sweet spot between deep concealment and full-size performance. Longer grip, flat face trigger, slim body design. You can hide this thing anywhere on your body. Maybe not anywhere. It shoots like a bigger gun, but carries like a small one. This is one of the few smaller guns that I shoot very well and enjoy shooting. So yeah, SIG nailed this design. This thing is a beast, perfect for everyday carry. So the bottom line on this gun, maximum performance, minimum footprint.